Before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. That is the only way you're going to stay ahead of the new updates, the promos, and the actual opportunities to earn in 2026. Okay, so in this video, we'll go through the Trust Premium Reward Program, which is Trust Wallet's loyalty program that rewards your actions and loyalty with exclusive benefits just for being active. Trust Wallet's loyalty program that rewards your actions and loyalty with exclusive benefits. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store to download the Trust Wallet app and a Telegram app. Now that we have both apps, open the Trust Wallet app. Now in this video, I will be going through how to earn and claim the Trust Premium XP points and also swapping the XP points into cryptocurrency instantly. First, we need to create a Trust Wallet handle. Tap the settings gear icon. Tap on Trust Handle. Okay, then click on Register Handle. Okay, now input a handle name. You can type in your desired username. Okay, trust mark OK. Now click on Continue. All right, go ahead and hit Confirm. And there we go. We officially have a trust handle. Okay, now swipe out of there and go back to your home screen. We're going to open up Telegram next. Open Telegram app. Now the link to the Telegram bot is down here in the comment section below. You can't miss it. Now click on Start. Then click on Open App. Okay, here it is. All right, scroll down. Click on Get Started. Now you have to input a trust handle. If you have been following this video, I have already created one earlier in the video. Trust mark at trust. All right, then click on Connect Wallet. Okay, now we are currently in the Trust Wallet bot app. Let's go ahead and start earning the daily Trust Premium rewards. All right. Now we have 700 XP rewards. Let's go ahead and swap the XP rewards into USDT. Now click on the Swap Now. All right, click on Continue. Pay attention to the minimum received, which is $3,291.90 with a network fee of $73. Okay, that's great. Select a cryptocurrency that you hold to complete the network fee. Now I will go with Solana because I hold more than enough Solana to cover the gas fees. Now copy the wallet address displayed. Then head over to a crypto wallet app to complete the gas fees instantly. Okay, paste wallet address, enter the gas fee amount. Okay, Okay, click on Next. Now click on Continue. All right, network fee has been sent successfully. Okay, now go back to the Telegram bot. The swap should be completed in less than 2 minutes, so let's see. Oh, there you go. Whew, thanks for watching. If you have any comment, ensure to leave them in the comment section below. Peace.